part one of the rainy night routine. By the way, guys, sorry for all the background noises. I'm in Hawaii, and what's it called? The waves, and my dad play guitar in the background. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Mom, my hair is getting all wet and frizzy. I was so chopped. Finally, she realized. Excuse me? Okay, guys, I'm trying to open up the door. As you guys can tell, can you guys quiet down so I can concentrate? Whatever. Door opens. Finally, you guys can come into the nice warm home. Yay, house. I'm always last. Close this door. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna make some dinner and then I'll meet you guys upstairs for dinner. Okay, let's go. Okay, everybody on the stop, come out. Okay. Bye. Yay, we're home. Yay. They're so annoying. Bro, I'm not even joking. They get on my nerves so much. So annoying. Oops, I forgot to make my bed. Well, I might as well just do it now. Makes bed. Okay. Today, I don't really feel like taking a shower because, yeah, this is really cute. Well, it is my peaches, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna study because I have a test tomorrow, which sucks, but yeah. I hate studying. Look, I'm so bored. Yeah, no one's playing with us, and we can't even take a shower. Yeah, I don't want to take a shower. Yeah, same. Yeah, same. Oh my gosh. I just thought of a brilliant idea. So basically, oh my gosh, yeah. Actually, yeah, definitely. This plan's gonna work perfectly. Yeah, except I'm not gonna be in it because I'm not getting in trouble. What? Yeah, sis, I thought we were gonna be twins or whatever.